Hello everyone, this video will answer the question how to draw lace textures. And of course I will answer right away. The best solution is to use ready-made texture brushes that I created especially for you. This video review will show all the brushes that are included in the best-selling set. Now I'm showing on the tablet screen how brushes can be successfully used to decorate a character's clothing. Now the heroine's image looks incredible. The first 13 brushes in the set are dynamic. They are made for reference your custom designs. The special thing about these brushes is that they work great in any position, not just horizontally or vertically. You can draw at any angle. Believe me, this is rare in this type of brushes, but I managed to do it. Notice how convenient it's to control the brush and pen pressure. I make it easy and simple. I agree, it's amazing. I love these brushes and use them very often. The next 137 brushes will be texture brushes. In texture brushes, you will see a huge variety of meshes, floral lace brushes, abstract lace textures, and realistic lace textures. At the end of the review, I will show you how to scale textures without losing quality. Procreate is a raster program, and many people make mistakes when scaling. I invented my ideal formula when scaling. If you need such brushes for other programs, let me know in the comments. Also, check my website. Maybe I have already adapted these brushes for your program. I also have incredible news for you. I have created another set with textured lace brushes. Another texture set contains 165 brushes. The link to it will be in the description. I recommend that you buy 2 lace sets because they are different and not repeated, and you will have more choice in your creativity. By the way, in my store there are textures on different themes: animal prints, tie-dye prints, knitted prints, floral prints, and many others. Browse my site for selection. In my store there is an internal discount for purchases over a certain amount. You will have your own personal account where all your brushes will be stored. If you have any questions, please write to me on any social networks and I will be happy to help you. Another good news, this set includes a commercial license. Also subscribe to all my social networks so that you don't lose me. The internet world is big and unfortunately it's possible to lose me. Now just enjoy the incredible textures I created while listening to music. At the 6th minute, I will return to you again with my voice. to resize a texture without losing image quality? This will be a tutorial only for my texture brushes that I created. Step 1. Click on the brush. Step 2. Go to the section Grain. Step 3. Pay attention to the scale slider. This is where you can change the texture size to the appropriate size. Step 4. After that, you need to click on the orange button with the text Done. Enjoy the result. You can watch this segment several times, pause the video or reduce the speed. To change the angle of the texture, I recommend that you rotate the canvas rather than rotating the texture layer, so the quality will be higher. Visit my website, buy this and other brush sets using the link in the description. Subscribe to this channel and me on all social networks. Have a good day!